Training an AI model is like teaching a child to ride a bike. You start with data, lots of it, feeding the model examples so it can learn patterns and make predictions. First, we pre-process this data, cleaning it up and organizing it. Then we split it into training and testing sets. The training set is where the magic happens. It's where the model learns. We adjust the model's parameters using techniques like backpropagation and gradient descent. Think of backpropagation as the model's way of reflecting on its mistakes, while gradient descent helps it find the best path forward, minimizing errors. But it doesn't stop there. Hyperparameters play a crucial role too. They're like the rules of the game that we set before training begins. Too many parameters can lead to overfitting, where the model learns the training data too well and struggles with new data. Balancing this is key to optimizing performance. In essence, training an AI model is a dynamic dance of data, adjustments, and fine-tuning, all aimed at creating something that can learn and adapt in the real world.